Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you might be checking out this website here called gain.gg. Okay, you landed on this website and you're wondering, can you make money from this site? You know, there are quite a lot of sites like this. It's called the GPT website, get paid in order to do something. So I'm going to do a full review of gain.gg and then you can decide for yourself whether or not you want to spend some time on this website or not, all right? Now, I've reviewed many websites like this. Some of them are real and some of them are straight up scams, so you just need to be careful. But gain.gg is a legit site. They've been around since 2018, and the way that this works is you can create a free account. So you can sign in with Google, and you can sign in through Steam. You can just create a free account here, and there are different ways that you can earn from this particular website. All right, so once you're logged in, they will allow you to fill out surveys, watch videos, and download offers and play some games. Okay, so these are the main ways that you can make money on this website. So it's a very low skill set way. That means you don't need any skills. You can come on here, create a free account, and you can start making money. The thing that I like about gain.gg is the threshold to pay out is very low. All right, most GPT websites have a threshold of usually about $5 to $10. Some good ones have a $1 threshold. That means you have to make up to $1 before you can withdraw your money. But gain.gg will pay out even if you make 1 cent, which is pretty awesome, okay? Because most GPT websites will not pay out until you hit at least $1, $5, or $10, which can take months before you actually make that kind of money on a website like this, all right? So 1 cent, you can withdraw it mainly into PayPal, and you can withdraw here, you know, once you actually create a free account, right? And if you don't have a PayPal account, just set up a free PayPal account, and then you can withdraw as little as 1 cent, which is pretty cool, all right? So the big question though is how does this website work, and how can you make, how much money can you make? That's very important, all right? So first of all, if you're looking to fill out surveys, they are basically a survey aggregate website. So they work with two main survey websites. They work with Theorem Reach, which I've done a review of, okay, and that's a very legit survey website. And another survey website is called Your Surveys, right? Now, the only thing about Theorem Reach and Your Surveys is that you have to basically sign up with Theorem Reach and you have to sign up with Your Surveys. And you have to take roughly about 5 or 10 minutes to sign or fill out a pre-qualification application form, because they want to find out all about you, where you're located, your background, your interests, and stuff like that. Because a lot of these survey companies work for clients that want to find out more information about you, all right? So if you don't meet the demographic, they're not going to send you a survey to fill out. Does that make sense, right? Because they work for other clients and other companies. Now, if you do get a survey to fill out, it usually takes about 20 minutes to fill out the survey, and you can make roughly about $1 per survey. Now, but here's a big problem with Theorem Reach and Your Surveys. It's not that they're not legitimate. They are. But the problem is that you're not going to get sent a survey every single day to fill out, okay? These survey companies will only send you a survey maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, sometimes only once a month. It really depends on how lucky you are and what demographic you fit, because they are looking for information for their clients, all right? I hope that makes sense, okay? So therefore, even though you may make $1 per survey, you might not get to fill out that many surveys from Theorem Reach and Your Surveys. It really depends on timing and your demographic, all right? So that's one way to make money with gain.gg. Another way is to watch videos, okay? And you will make roughly about 1 cent for every 5 minutes of video that you watch, okay? So it's really not that much money. I mean, if you sit there, let's do the math, right? But, you know, 1 cent for every 5 minutes, so in 60 minutes divided by 5, that's 12. You will make about 12 cents per hour, okay, watching videos. So again, you're not really making that much money with gain.gg. Downloading offers, you can make a little bit more money, okay? So if you download you know, different offers, there is a possibility to make, you know, $1, $5, $10 sometimes, but some of these offers require you to spend money before they pay you back the money, okay? So just understand that about downloading offers. You have to use your own credit card to spend money with these offers, and then they kind of rebate you and give you a little bit more money. So you just have to understand that some of these offers are kind of set up that way, all right? So it is a legitimate website. GainGG will allow you to, again, you know, fill out surveys, watch videos, download offers, and you can make some money on this site, but you're not gonna get rich overnight, all right? So if you spend maybe 2 or 3 hours a day on this site, you may be able to make 50 cents, maybe $1, but it's not that much money, right? So if you add up the amount of time that you're spending on the site, perhaps if you spend 2 or 3 hours a day on the website, you're making about maybe $1, $2, $3 a day. And if you do the math on that, even at the maximum, let's just say $3 a day, you multiply that by 30 days, how much are you making? You're making 3 times 30 days. Maybe you're making $90, you know? I would say anywhere from $30 to $90 if you're really hustling on this website and squeezing out as much juice from it as possible. You might be making, you know, again, $50, $70, $80, $90, but it's really not that much money, all right? But you have to understand that these types of websites, GPT sites, they're not designed to make you rich. They don't promise to make you rich either, all right? They just promise to make you a little bit of money for the amount of time that you're putting into the site, and that's because of the business model. They can't possibly pay you tons and tons of money because there's no way that they'll be able to you know, keep their business alive if they're paying you out a lot of money. All right, so again, we're talking about pennies on the dollar, but it is a legitimate website. They've been around since 2018. So if you want to check out gain.gg, you can just head to their website right here, gain.gg, and you can sign up with Google, and you can start watching videos, filling out surveys, downloading offers, and making a little bit of money. Okay, so one of the legitimate GPT websites out there, good place to start, but really you're not going to become rich this way. You're not going to become a millionaire. You can't, you know, retire or travel the world, nothing like that. Okay, but remember, this is a free website, and it's very low, you know, skilled website for you to start making a tiny bit of money online. All right, so check it out if you want. But if you're somebody who wants to learn how to make more money, we're talking about big commissions, you know, we're talking about multiple 6 figures a year, potentially millions of dollars a year. If you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a cool little strategy that you can implement. That's what I teach thousands of people how to do. I've generated over $1 million in commissions online, 100% online, and all you need is an internet connection and a computer. And obviously, you need the want to learn how to do this kind of skill, okay? So if you would like to check that out, I've got a free 6-figure workshop. Just go ahead and click the link below, register for that workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Check out gain.gg if you'd like, and if you'd like to learn how to make, you know, bigger commissions and learn a real high income skill set online where you can do it from anywhere in the world, go ahead and jump on my workshop, and I hope to see you on another video. Take care.